Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. Today I have a really fun layered paper craft for you. This is my Holiday Bell layered paper craft. How fun is this little design? I love that it's the Christmas bell. On the inside you've got some presents there, the holiday candles, and then some greenery. It's just a really fun, really colorful design. This would be perfect on a card or in a shadow box maybe, with some foam squares in between to really make those layers pop. Just so much fun. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. Okay, for this project you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your standard grip or light grip cutting mat, your brayer, weeding tool, scraper, glue and adhesive, some foam squares if you want to add some dimension between the different layers, and then of course your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holidays with the Housewife 2024. If you're watching this video during the event, you can access the cut file from the event page at thebeardedhousewife.com/holiday-event. If you are a VIP access pass holder, the download button for the cut file is below this video. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, that gives you full access to all 12 event files, printable worksheets, bonus cut files, and commercial licensing, you can head to thebeardedhousewife.com/HWTH2024. I have links to all of these in the description box below. No matter how you get the cut file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Okay, now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that the project has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this design to fit within the cutting dimensions of the 12 by 12 cutting mat. If you're going to be resizing this design to possibly put this on a card or put it inside of a shadow box, you can change the sizing here in the sizing options. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. Since my project is all set to go, I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the dark green, then the white or cream color, the really pale green, blue-green, yellow, red, green, light green, and then blue. Now you can totally use foam squares to add some extra dimension if you wish. I'm just going to glue everything together, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there we have our Holiday Bell layered paper craft. How fun and festive is that? What did you think of this layered paper craft? How fun was it? I hope that you like it. If you make this, I hope that you share it with us in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link in the description below. That's going to do it for me today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Bye-bye.